Hello, I'm Andrew and welcome to my flat. Come on in and see. The first room through here is a kitchen, dining room and living space as well over here. If you show this side here, there's a nice couch as well. So it's a nice combined area. The first area which I'll show is the cooking space. So here is the cooker itself, the stove with 4 hobs. These are gas hobs. So if I turn one of these knobs here and press the spark, there's gas. So this is the stove, and below is the oven itself. And again, there's a couple of knobs to change the temperature. And above the stove you have the fan, which is really good if you're cooking something with lots of steam. It helps keep the kitchen nice and cool. So this is the oven. Beside that we have a little coffee machine, which is really good in the morning. And for the coffee machine, we have these little capsules here, which you put in here, put water in the back, and press the button, and that makes you your espresso. So that's really good in the morning. But myself, I'm quite simple. I'm more of a tea person. So I have my tub here of tea bags. So when I come in the morning, I normally just take the kettle, go over to the tap, fill it up, put it on here and turn it on. Take my mug out of the cupboard. Take my mug, get my tea bag, put it in here. Once this is boiled, pour the boiling water in, leave it for 5 minutes, and then you have the perfect cup of tea. Take the little spoon, get rid of the tea bag in the sink, and get some milk. Get some milk out of the fridge, put it in here, and that's what I do every morning. In the corner we have a toaster here for toasting your bread. I like to have toast in the morning as well. So my normal breakfast is a cup of tea and two slices of toast. So that's my breakfast. And beside the toaster to the left we have the washing up area. So we have the sink here, the tap. The tap has got a cold tap and a hot tap. And when you turn the hot tap on, the boiler over here, the boiler turns on, and that's what heats up the water. So that's the sink. And to the left of the sink, this is the drying area. So when you've washed your pots and your plates and your cups and your cutlery, your forks and your knives, you put them in here to let them dry. And the last 3 things are the microwave for heating up your food quickly when you don't have a lot of time. This is the timing control here, so minutes. And this is high power, medium, low. So that's the microwave. Below that is the washing machine here for washing clothes. And this is also a dryer. So this is to dry the dishes. This both washes and then dries your clothes. So it's a really good washing machine. And then beside that you have the fridge, freezer. So at the top is the freezer with really cold for freezing things. And below the freezer you have the fridge. And right now our fridge is empty. There's nothing inside. So that is the kitchen area. Here is the dining area. So you've got the dining table, a very small table, but it's got space for 3 people. And a nice window with a nice view out. Nice in the morning because the sun shines in here in the morning. So this is a lovely little area. And then moving over here, you have the living space. So the little couch here. And if you turn around and point this way, you have the television. So quite often I will sit back here and watch a football game. So that is one of my favourite things to do. And then of course you have the house plant, and as I mentioned, the boiler through here. So that's the kitchen, dining and living room space. Through here you have the entrance hall, the entrance space, and if you walk straight through here you have the bathroom. So below these towels is the toilet, and a little bin in there, and we have a little roll of toilet roll here which you put on there's a holder for that. A nice little radiator for warming up your towels. So when you come out of the shower, your towel is nice and warm. And here we have a combined bath and shower. So it's quite common to have both a bath and a shower together. And again, temperature control here. So when you turn this up to hot, the boiler through there will come on. And then here is the sink, some hand wash, and a nice mirror for doing your hair and your makeup. And if you can hear that, that is the extractor fan, and that is to keep the room dry for when the shower is on. And again, when you turn on the boiler through there powers up to get your hot water. Oh, and of course, you have a little plug here for shavers. So that is for electric shavers. I prefer normal straight razors, but that's just me. So that is the bathroom. And the final room through here is the bedroom. And again, it's quite small and compact, but the bed is really, really soft and comfortable. It's a really, really comfortable bed. And at either side of the bed you have the two lamps. And a nice little piece of art on the wall here, and a couple of these Velux windows. And again, a nice view out there. It's a nice view to wake up to in the morning. And what else? We've got this interesting little chair here. Little storage space through there. And what else? Some nice lights in the wall. Oh, and 2 mirrors. So you've got this circle mirror here. So when you wake up in the morning and your hair's all over the place and you're looking terrible, you can look straight in and see the mess. And then if that's not enough, you have another one right here. And finally, another little lamp here. and a wardrobe, no, not wardrobe, set of drawers, chest of drawers for clothes and different things. In here, we've got a hairdryer, really important for me. We've got an iron, and in the corner, we have a little ironing board. So that can go here. Take your iron, take your creased clothes and give them a little iron. I think this here is an air freshener, so if it's smelling not very good, this will go off and make the place smell much nicer. So that is our bedroom area. And yeah, that's the apartment. I really like these windows, it really freshens up the space. And yeah, so bedroom. You've got the kitchen here, dining space, living area, and the little bathroom in here. And a coat stand here, and one final mirror. Oh, and fire extinguisher, very important. So if something goes wrong, you can take this and extinguish. And last but not least, the fire blanket. So that is if you're cooking and it bursts into flames, you take the fire blanket and throw it over and that puts it out. So that is everything. One more thing, thermostat. This is for controlling the temperature in the flat. So if I'm really cold, I can turn the temperature up, and the boiler will come on, as you can hear. Yes, so that is everything. I hope that was interesting. If you would like to see more videos like this, then remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. See you later.